Okay, here we are, another day, another discussion, and we have a good topic for you today about credit. As you know, that's what this channel is all about. And the subject for today is, what is a charge-off? Now, that is a question I get actually pretty often. I mean, there's a lot of questions I get, but I'm just trying to go through these so that you, my viewers, my subscribers, people just passing by, and not only that, but actually my followers and my clients, because a lot of them watch these as well. And this is a subject that is kind of just people just don't really know is what exactly is a charge off. And so that's the subject of today. So as you're going through your financial life, your credit life, there are sometimes things that happen, good and bad. And at the same time, we might run across something that's going to hinder our credit report. And one of the things that is possibly going to hinder our credit report, actually it will if you ever encounter this, is going to be a charge off. So it's kind of tied to collections, but what happens is a charge off is actually it's a negative item that gets put on your credit report, and you don't want charge offs. And if you do happen to have any charge offs, that's when we need to work to get those off. But a charge off occurs, it occurs when a creditor, like a credit card company or a loan company or some type of financial institution that gave you money, or lent you money, basically, it occurs when the creditor deems a debt is unlikely to be repaid. Does that make sense? So you've had, let's put yourself in this scenario. You've had this credit card. I'm just going to use a credit card as an example, and you're using it, but somewhere down the line, something happens, right, in life, and you just come to a place where you're not making the payments. And so what happens is if you miss a payment, a missed payment is 30 days. So if you miss a payment after 30 days, it gets flagged. It's like a yellow flag in sense, and that starts bringing down your credit score. Your account is still there, but now you have a flag against you. Okay, so now after that, the next month number 2, if you paid it and you got caught up, okay, that's great. But if you don't, so 2 months go by and you don't make a payment, so that gets you put into this, what is called like an orange category. So now you're 60 days overdue, okay? Now, they haven't closed your account yet, but they're kind of red flags are going up on your account, and you've missed 2 months of payment. So you're put on their list, and your credit score starts dropping because now you have 2 hits against you, and they're not good hits. So the next month goes by, month number 3, and now you miss a 3rd payment in a row. These are in a row. So now you're 90 days late, right? 30, 60, 90. Now you're 90 days late. Now it puts you into this red category, and this is not good. This is where the creditor has deemed you officially someone that is not paying your part of the deal, right? They lent you the money with the expectation that you're going to pay at least a minimum payment, and you have gone 3 months with no payment. So now you have a red flag against you, a yellow, orange, and a red flag against you. Your credit score is going to drop because of that, and that's just on one creditor. So let's say 180 days go by. Now, after 180 days go by, this is sent to a collection, okay? And then after the collection agency retains the amount they're trying to collect from you, and then what happens is at that moment, there's a couple of things that's going on between the credit card company and the collection agency, but now it's deemed that you have now a charge-off because you neglected to pay the allotted amount, which is at least the minimum, but now you've done that for 180 straight days, and it's considered missed payments. You have 180 days of missed payments, 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, and so on. And so what happens is it's now considered a charge-off. The account is on your credit report, noted as a charge-off, and it's bringing your score down. And if you don't do anything about it, let you know that charge-offs remain on your credit report for up to 7 years. That's right. 7 years of charge-off can be on your credit report because of a few months of negligence. So I hope this helps. I hope this gives you an understanding of what a charge-off is, because many times people may have a charge-off 3, 4, 5 years down the road. They forget about it. They're not really sure that it's even on the report. I get a call from some people, and we take a look at the report, and little did they know that there's a charge-off on their account because of this activity that happened a long time ago. So that's exactly what a charge-off is. It's when a creditor has deemed you someone that is unlikely to pay the debt, and it gets flagged on the system. Therefore, when you go to apply for another loan, such as another credit card or a car loan or a bank loan, a business loan, construction loan, even a mortgage, when you go to apply with another company, they're going to pull up your credit report just like this. They're going to look at it and they're going to notice that you have a charge-off that may have happened 2, 3, 4 years down the road. And it really doesn't matter because it's a negative hit on your part. And these will very much hinder you from being approved for most loans because it's a pretty impactful negative item, and you really don't want those on your report. Now, however, if you do have them on your report, right, we can work on that. We can help remove these. That's what we do. We can dispute these items and help get those off. So if you have any charge-offs on your report, get with me, message me down below. If you're watching this on Instagram, direct message me. We can set up a time where we can go through this and work through that situation. If you're watching this on YouTube or Facebook, just go ahead and email me, and my information will be down below in the section, and you can contact me and we can work your way through this. So it's not a lost cause. It's like I tell people, it's like your automobile, right? We have problems with our car, mechanics fail, your engine fails, your brakes, shocks, whatever. You take it to the mechanic and they can fix it, right? Everything can be fixed. We can fix your credit. We can repair what is needed. And let me know if this is something that you need help. So I hope this helps you out. A little bit more information on what these credit terms are. And one of the most important terms that we need to know is actually the charge-off. So if you have any, we can work on those. And if you're new to credit and you've never heard this term, well, that's exactly what it is. A charge-off is when a creditor has deemed you someone that is unlikely to pay the debt that you negotiated or you contracted with. And so therefore, it's a flag on your report and it will be a hindrance to you in the future. So thank you for watching. I appreciate your time, and thank you for I ask that if you would like and subscribe and help me grow this channel so I can get more information like this to other people. And if you're watching this on Instagram, I appreciate it as well. YouTube, thank you so much. And please like, subscribe, follow, share this, and come back for another live video sometime soon. I'm trying to do these daily, and then we can get going on helping everybody out for life lessons on credit.